Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Testerup to TikTok. In today's quick tutorial, let's clear up the confusion about whether Testerup can connect to TikTok. Some users assume this two work together because Testerup offers tasks like installing apps, completing steps, or testing mobile features, which sounds familiar to social media related rewards. However, Testerup doesn't provide TikTok based tasks, and it isn't designed to sync with social platforms. TikTok is a content sharing app, while Testerup is strictly a task driven earning platform, so there's no official integration, no login option, and no reward system that links the two. If you simply want to watch TikTok while doing tester up tasks, you can multitask by splitting your screen, but that's the only connection possible. Essentially, you can earn by completing app installs, signups, trials, or game levels on TesterUp, but TikTok isn't part of its earning system, and any guide claiming otherwise is misleading. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.